Hey everyone, John from Popeye's Postcards. Just wanted to do a little commentary before the rest of the video starts. I didn't want to just jump right into being at the craft fair. So the next, I don't know how many minutes of video are my setup and just throughout the day at the craft fair. It was a local craft fair by a volunteer fire department here in the town I live in. And it was the first year that they've done it. There were 60 some vendors, I guess, but a lot of people showed up. They didn't do a great job advertising. They just did Facebook ads, no local other advertising that I thought about or that I heard about. But regardless, it was a pretty good day, and you'll see at the end of the video, I did very, very well.
Okay, we got the table pretty much done. Just real quick, that's the quick and dirty sign I did. I think I came up with 240 matted. All the vendors are setting up. There's supposed to be over 60 vendors here. So it took me less than a half an hour to get this set up, and my wife did help me. So it's starting to fill up. Still got about 55 minutes before the show starts. Still one or two empty tables, but vendors are still coming in. Pretty cool for the first year in this small fire department. So my wife stopped by and helped me just finish making things look a little prettier. Boy, I hope those sell. So they just opened the doors. Probably about 50 people came through so far. They just opened them. So really good crowd. Lots of interest in the postcards, but no sales yet. Everybody's saying how gorgeous they are and what a great idea, but no one has bought any yet. So the show's been going on for an hour and a half now. Still a really, really good crowd. Still people coming in the door. I was a little nervous. Didn't make any sales within the first half hour, but it picked up, and I've sold about $250 worth. All the framed ones are what was hit. So note to self is, if I do this again, is have them framed or have frames available. So yeah, doing pretty good. Everybody's amazed at their 100-year-old postcards and how beautiful they are. So might have to do this again. But yeah, there's still good crowd of people coming in. So we're right in 2 hours in, and still a really good crowd in here. Sales are up to $350. Had a mother and daughter team come by and bought a lot, so that was really nice. Had about another hour left to go. Sales really picked up there. I don't know the exact number I sold, but sales are almost $700. So I've been doing really good. My wife showed up with some extra frames for me because I had a mother and daughter team pretty much wiped me out of frames. But sales have been really good, and I'm very happy.
Okay, the craft show just ended. Did pretty good. That first half hour, I was sitting there and no one was buying anything. I thought I made a huge mistake. I did not keep track of exactly how many I sold, but total sales were $670. So that's pretty dang good. Booth fee was $60. My wife got me some more mats and, or I'm sorry, ran out and got me some more frames. So, I think that was with the booth fee and mat or frames, it was $90 out of pocket. And so anyway, I definitely well into the profit. Not bad for a 6-hour show. And I made some contacts, which is always good. People saying that they had collections. The lady who was set up beside me was a Mary Kay dealer, but she also worked at auction houses and collected postcards and is looking to dump her cards. So handed out a lot of business cards, people like that. So maybe that will spark some buying opportunities for me in the future. Sorry, I'm tired. I'm stumbling over words. So, okay, great day. It only took me 20 minutes to unpack and get everything out here into the truck. So it was really easy breakdown today. And probably the best part is right now, I'm going to drive to where I used to work, turn that in, and today's my official retirement date, which is just pretty darn cool. So after today, I am a full-time eBay seller. Awesome. I made it. Okay, that's it. Thank you, as always, for watching.